guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I've decided to do Kylie Jenner inspired makeup, and I was browsing around one of her pictures, so I decided to do a tutorial about this one. So if you'd like to see how I did this look, just keep on watching. So I'm going to be doing first my eyeshadow. I'm going to be using my MAC. This is the MAC Soft Brown, and I'm going to be using with my Sigma Tapered blending brush. Okay, so now I'm going to be swiping off on my crease. And just build up the color. This is the soft brown. You just keep on building up the color. This is just a 3 eyeshadow look. You don't have to go technical with all other eyeshadows. Okay, so the next one I'm going to be using is and this is MAC Cosmetics Folie. It's a brown, it's a little dark brown eyeshadow. I'm going to be using Sigma Blending E25 brush. And just keep blending. I don't know if you can see it on the camera. Like a little darker. I don't know if you can see it through the camera as well. But you don't want to go over the crease, the darker color, because you want it to have that gradient color. Just keep building up. I'm just going to keep building up the dark brown shadow. Just keep blending the colors. The next I'm going to be doing is use this like a lighter color too. It's more like a white. It's not like a shiny eyeshadow. So this is Shroom. Next I'm going to be using this one. It's my MAC Shroom. I'm going to be using my E55 eye shading Sigma. Putting it on my eyelid. So there, this is actually, you just have to keep on building up the color. You know, you don't have to go overboard sometimes, especially if it's like a day event makeup. So I'm gonna be highlighting the brow bone area as well. So if you can see, it's a little frost too, kind of like a shimmer color. You can skip this if you want. So okay, the next one I'm gonna be cleaning up under the eyes because some of them has a eyeshadow fall off. So I'm gonna be cleaning it. I don't have any excess before I put my foundation. And as you can see, I'm still oily, and this is just a moisturizer and plus the weather too. So the next one I'm going to be using is my Morphe liquid eyeliner. This is one of my favorites. But don't do this step if you're not comfortable. So the next one I'm going to be doing is my foundation now. This is the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation. And I'm going to be using my Real Techniques sponge. Depending on your skin condition too, sometimes you can use more foundation. I mean, you just have to make it even, your skin. I applied a little more of the foundation just to kind of even out. As you can see, I have a pimple over here, a blemish too. Just to even out my skin tone, because earlier, if you notice, I have redness around my nose and on my cheeks as well. A little redness. Don't forget the neck, by the way. This is one of the good foundation, and this one too, it's very, very nice. I'm impressed, basically. You know, Beauty Blender is very good too, but this one, if you're on a budget, this is one way to go, the Real Techniques. I'm gonna be putting, by the way, all the makeups that I've used in the description box below. The next thing I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using my favorite Joah Cosmetics. This is the all brushed up creamy concealer. So I'm only going to be dotting a little amount under the eyes. I'm not going to go overboard on the under eye area. It's just to kind of cover up, because if you can see, if you look down, you can see all the dark circles. And then on the side of the nose, because I can still see redness in there. And then just a little bit on the bridge of the nose. You can see it brightens up my under eye area. It only depends too on your, your makeup preference. There are makeup looks out there that is really nice, but sometimes you're not really quite sure if it's gonna look good on you. So the next one I'm gonna be doing is my eyebrows. I'm gonna be using this one. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Micro Brow Pencil. So what I'm gonna be doing now is to just line my eyebrows. I'm just gonna have to follow the shape of my eyebrows. My eyebrows are not done, by the way. I'm still gonna be using this MAC Cosmetics Deep Brunette Veluxe Brow Liner. This is one of my favorite too, and this is what I basically use every day. And I'm just gonna fill in my brows. You can see that in my camera. So this is more like a natural, for me, like it looks like a natural color too. So the next one I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be setting my foundation and my concealer. And I will be using my Mercier powder. This is a travel size, by the way. So I'm going to be using this translucent powder to set my foundation and my concealer. This is my all-time favorite, by the way. So what I would usually do is just to keep on dabbing it on my face. So don't forget the forehead, of course. So the next step I'm going to be doing is I am going to use this Hoola. This is a bronzer, and just define. If you wanted to locate your cheekbone, you just do the fish face, as they say. So I usually pout or do the fish face. Just do that, or sometimes I do. If you do this, so you can see it already, like it has a color. But you just have to blend it over as well. So if you can see it on the camera, and then I'm gonna be applying on my jawline as well. I'm only doing this because I have the shape of my face, and then I am going to be doing. I'm gonna be putting around the forehead as well. This is done, pretty much done. And the good thing about this one too is because since it's a thin, like a flat brush, what I usually do too is if you wanted to, to contour your nose, they have a smaller brush that is helpful brush as well. I use that for this particular step, but I don't have it anymore, so I'm gonna be using this. So you can just brush off the area over here. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, so it kind of have that contour. I don't know if you can see it through. So there. And the next one I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using this blush, and this is from MAC Cosmetics. This is the Pink Sprinkles from the Simpsons collection. And just gonna swipe it a little bit just to have that color. And sometimes what I usually do is just dab it on the cheek and smile. The next one I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be applying Mercier Glow Translucent Powder with their brush, and then just tap off the excess, and then I'll apply it on the cheek area. So you can see it's already had that glow. So I'm going to be doing two on the other side. This is so nice, actually. This is so beautiful. And then I'll be going over on my nose. Just a little bit, just the excess. And then if you wanted to go focus on your chin as well, just to highlight on the chin area. So the next one I'm going to be putting is my false eyelashes. Back to my soft brown, to my eyeshadow, the MAC Soft Brown, and I will be using the pencil brush as well. What I'm gonna be doing is to just kind of shade the lower eyelid just to get that definition. And for the lips, I will be using her product, and this is Kylie Velvet Liquid Lipstick. So this is the lip liner and this is the liquid lipstick. So first I'm gonna be using the lip. I'm gonna line my lips first. And then the next one is I'm gonna be applying her liquid lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick shade out of all her collection. This one is just beautiful. So there you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Feel free to like, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe. And I will see you in my next video. Bye!